You will have to complete the practice test number 10 on your own. You have until Sunday to complete practice test number 10. So, as always, once you get to the SAT official practice dashboard, please select on full tests. It's going to tell you how many sections you have completed. So, we skipped over section 1, we skipped over section 2, we did section 3 in class. Section 4 we were unable to finish because of whatever reason. So if you don't get to finish the section, you can go back and finish it. So what you will notice once you select on full test, it'll ask you if you want to complete. So you can always stop. It says after completing a section, you can stop and review. You can't change any of your previous answers though. So if you want to review the math, no calculator, you can go ahead and you can select review. And it'll tell you, how many you got right, how many you got wrong, how many you didn't answer. And then if you select review your answers, it'll go through and it'll tell you which skill it comes from. So solving linear equations and linear equality. So if you notice you didn't get that right, that's the skill, the little level of challenge that it's telling you to go to. The cross test or sub-score category. So if you want to know what that means, it kind of breaks down how some of the math questions kind of like crisscross into other subject areas. But that's neither here nor there. I'm going to hit finish reviewing. More importantly, you all need to finish the math calculator section. So it's 38 questions. You would select start. Make sure you've got your 55 minutes ready to go. So you have to carve out 55 minutes uninterrupted time to the best of your ability. Once you start the timer, you won't be able to pause. That's how it is in the real test. Once the timer goes, you're not going to be able to stop. So it gives you your directions 1 through 30, solve the problem, choose it from the best answers, 31 through 38. That's going to be your free response. You hit continue. Make sure you read your question. If you need to flag it for review, meaning you need to come back to it later, you can always flag it. If you need to cross out answer choices, click the 3 dots and you can cross out your answer choices. You can bring it back. If you need to see the directions again, see the directions. If you need to see some notes about the section, you can see some notes. If you need to see the reference sheet, so if you need some formulas, all of the formulas that they allow you to use are on the little reference sheet. So I'm going to go back, um, you know, like I said, if I want to flag it, I flag it. And then down here at the bottom, it'll show you which ones you have flagged. So you can always just quickly go back. As you can see, I've been purposely kind of making this time last a little bit longer. So you can see that now at the top, it's telling me I only have 54. I have 54 minutes left to finish it. Chances are if you try to answer every question, you probably will use all of the time. And again, as always, if you notice that your clock is running down to 2 minutes and you still have 10, 15 questions left, please make sure you select something because there's a chance you might get it right. If you want to skip something, you can skip it, you can go back, all of that good stuff. But if you're done, you've gone through everything, you've exhausted it, please make sure you select finish the section. You say, yes, I'm done. If you are done, it'll give you a time warning if you still have extra time. If you're ready to submit, you hit submit. It'll say, okay, you finished it. Nice work. And please, at the bottom, skip the optional essay. We're not doing that. And then, boom, out pops your scores. Don't worry so much about the reading writing score. We're worried about the math score because this is math class. And that is it.